So hello guys and welcome to my new vlog. Guys, today's vlog is going to be super crucial because in this video we are going to show you a lots of things while doing work in our corn crop. But before I dive into this vlog, first I would like to switch my dress because I don't have so much time to spend here, right? So my dad has gone and he asked me to go sooner, so that is why first let me switch my all of my dress here, then we will go to our crop to work and we'll show you there are lots of English sentences that you can also express while doing work, right? So please keep on watching. As you can see, just after switching my dress, and I keep all of my dress there and my mom will organize when she will get time. Huh? Okay, so here there are some of the green leafy vegetable called mustard, and right now we are ready to go. Nas jaldi. Okay guys, so right now we are going to the place where I wanted to go, right? Hello guys, right now we have just come to the outside from our house and going to our corn crop. But here next to me there is a tractor and it is plowing here in this field to grow anything. I am not sure because this field is not mine. Okay, so by the way, today I have escaped. Today I skipped the work, and that is, as you guys already know, I mostly, if you guys have watched my previous video, then or if you guys have subscribed my channel, then you guys would know that I always start my day by tying my pets or cattle, right? But today I have skipped to do this work because today I am going to give some of the sar to our corn crop, right? So that is why, and instead of me, my dad will go to tie my pets. So it will take few minutes to get there. So here I wanna ask you that, did you guys watch or have you watched my previous video, the day when we are planted corn seeds? So please, if you haven't, go and watch this video because there are lots of helpful sentences. So that is why especially you should watch those videos too. But now no need to go. Just after watching this video, if you want, you can go and watch, right? Okay, so right now, as you can see, as me, there is a guy and who is going to take their pets to tie in the field to graze them. And here while going, here we see there is a broken fence. Wow. You can see I just crossed this fence, and now we are about to reach to the place where we are going. And here this corn crop is my uncle's, and now as you can see, he has planted, and the plants are, as you can see, they are tiny, right? They are tiny plant, but a few days later it will be grown. Okay, so let's learn something new. What is this? This is a little finger, and this little finger indicates that you are in a mood to pee, right? That I just do. Yes. Okay, so right now finally we have come to our destination where we are gonna spread this urea, potash, DAP. It has combined, or my dad just mixed, and just after mixing, now as you can see, I'm going to show you just after untying. Hurry up. And here as you can see, and also here there are lots of weeds and weeds. What is weeds? By the way, I have taught many times. If you guys have watched my previous video, then you guys would know the meaning of weeds, right? Wow. Let me show it to my audience. आप पोटास को दे खाली DAP और urea. Okay, and this DAP and urea will help to grow our leaves of this crop, right? So that is why it is necessary to give this sar. By the way, I don't know what this is called in sar in English. Okay, so for the first day I'm going to use sar, right? Yes. So now as you can see, the process of giving this sar, as you can see, one by one in each plant we have to give. As you can see, between two plants we have to put a little amount of sar, right? So now as you can see, and the same process I also have to do. And as you can see, this is the bucket and it's full of sar, right? And I'm also going to this bucket and full of the sar, right? And then give all of these plants is right one by one. Now as you can see. Okay, so guys, now let me work here. So now I just poured the sar into this bucket, and this is called a sack, right? A sack of sar, towel, and here anything else, this is called the trash that are unnecessary, right, for our crop. Okay guys, so let me begin my work because I have to finish two of this crop. The first one and the second one is the straight, right? And the last one, by the way, right, where there is a sack. I try to zoom in out. Yes, I'm sure you are able to see a little bit, right? Yes. Is because, and now you might have a question, Nakul, why you are in a hurry today? You look like, actually today I have to go to the job, right? So that is why I am in a hurry. Okay guys, we just finished giving this sar to this crop and now move to the next one. So now as you can see, this is the last one to give sar. Okay, so let's first find out the meaning of sar in English because I am not feel good while speaking sar. Guys, because of the poor internet connectivity, I couldn't find out the name of sar in English. And my dad has come to see us how you are doing work here, if you are doing rightly or wrong. Actually, dad has gone to tie my pets, right? As I told you earlier, today I skipped to tie my pet, so in fact my dad has gone. And by the way, just after tying our pets, he has come to see us how we are spreading or giving sar here. And now just after watching all these things and just after checking out the process our giving sar in this crop, and that head home. Okay, so now let's learn some interesting. I have two tools that through we give sar here, right? And first one is this one is bigger, and there is another bucket, right? And this tool is called bucket, that's through we give sar in our crop, right? So the bucket is bigger than my sister's, right? Or I can say such as this bucket is bigger than this one. And such as if you want, you also can make sentences by using I am elder. Yes, I am elder than my sister, right? And now I want you to please you also make a sentence by using anything, right? But it should be make sure correct, right? Yes, this is your task to comment, and I would definitely give it a heart and check out if you are making it correct or wrong. Okay guys, so let me just start beginning again because as I told you, I don't have sufficient time, so that is why I am quite in a hurry. Okay guys, so we just finished to give sar in this field and now time to head home. And by the way, here as you can see, two of the bucket here, the small one is inside of this bigger one, right? And it has just after folding two of this sack, I just put it here, right? And just after taking this, now we are going home. And by the way, my sister a bit ahead, as you can see, she has having rest in the shade of this tree. And right now we are going home. Okay guys, so right now I just find out the name of sar in English called fertilizer. Actually I knew this name, but what doesn't come to my mind, right? So right now I find out on Google. Actually I knew idea, right? Okay, so right now I'm going to show you, and there are another people. As you can see, there are two of the people and they are also doing the same work that we do right now, right? This is called the backpack. Oh my god, there is a flag right over there, as you can see, at the top of this tree. I don't know who has climbed there, but looking nice. Actually, today is my first day working in my crop while giving fertilizer in our corn crop. So that is why while shooting there, I was struggle with some complicated sentences, or I was struggle with some words, right? So that is why I couldn't teach you a lots of English sentences. But yes, in the earlier videos, I will try my best to teach you as much as I can. So that is why especially you should subscribe to my channel while liking, right? But otherwise you missed that video, right? So please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to fulfill your dream of speaking in English and also to express your thoughts in English, right? And here there is a girl, I don't know where she is going. Okay, so now let's learn some English construction. English construction, I mean, if you know this method, then you will enjoy to phrase, right? Okay, so the sentence is, the girl that I showed you earlier, she is as beautiful as I am. What does it mean in Hindi? Please let me know in the comment below. And such as, okay, I give you the hint. I am as beautiful as my sister is. Please let me know in the comment. What okay guys, so right now we are about to reach home. Two of the kids has toys to play. Guys, let's learn English by using this stick. This stick is called a cane. A cane is a stick or anything it could be, but if anyone is walking with by supporting this stick, and the stick is called cane. School day, school day.
No, reading.
Pagal. Okay guys, so right now I have just got back home and I am looking for a towel. Hey, han, come here, Sinam, Julie. And we'll have to take a bath in the faucet. And here a pair of slippers of mine. Yes, I grabbed this towel to have a shower. And here I have come to our new body. Here there is an entrance gate. I just opened it up and finally come to the place where we will have a shower. Okay, so first let me take off all of my clothes. I am unbuttoning my shirt, but if you want you can buttoning up your shirt, right? But now need to unbuttoning my shirt. So right now I have just done to have a shower, and now let's go to my mom for check out has she made meal for me or not, because I'm getting hungry a little bit. And this girl is throwing trash away or at this trash place. She is brooming. My mom is making meal for me. I am shaking my feet. This is called a curtain. I am shaking my hair is because I need to apply oil on it, right? So I am looking for an oil bottle. Let's go to the kitchen. This is the kitchen, and here there is a bottle of oil and it has written Kranti. Okay, let's twist the cap open and pour a little amount of oil here into my palm and then apply into my hair. I am making hair with the help of this comb. Okay guys, so just after making my hair, and now it's time to have some meal because I'm getting hungry, as I told you guys earlier, as you can see. And some here papadam and sito chutney and still rice, by the way, not fresh. A glass of water, or you can also call it a tumbler. Okay, so let me have the meal. Okay guys, I just finished eating some meal. Now as you can see, and right now I am full, and I have left some of the pepper, chili chutney and mustard sito. And now my mom asked me to forward here, And now, just after eating or having something, right now from here I would like to stop recording, guys, because right now I am going somewhere. So that is why I would like to stop recording from here. So at the end of this video, I want you to please, if you learned something new from this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for such kind of relevant content, because in my upcoming days I will show you a lots of helpful content. So please, while liking, you also can subscribe, and also if you want, you can share with whom who are interested with learning English as you are. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye bye.